welcome back to Time to Read Tuesday. Miss Katie here at the Antwerp Branch of the Van Buren District Library. I'm going to take my mask off while I'm alone in the library so you can hear me better. I think we ought to tell some stories today. What do you think? Should we sing our song and get started? Ready? Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Friends, friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Hi, friends. So the letter of the day today is the letter P. P. Can you put your lips together and make a P sound? P. When you make a P, you make a straight line down. Get your magic finger out and make a straight line down. And then a pop at the top. Can you do it? Ready? A straight line down and a pop at the top. Good job making P's. Let's sing our P song. P says P. P says P. Every letter makes a sound and P says P. P says P. P says P. Every letter makes a sound and P says P. Good job. I know you guys are getting so good at all of your letters, and I was thinking about what P stories we could tell together today, and I was thinking about one of my favorite things to eat. Pizza. Do you like pizza? Oh, I love pizza. It is my favorite night of the week when it is pizza night at my house. So I have some songs and stories for us to tell about pizza. Pizza starts with a P. Do you see that P in pizza? Pizza has 5 letters. P, I, Z, Z. Uh-oh, I'm out of space. I'm gonna move them over. P, I, Z, Z, A. There's my pizza. And I know a song about these letters. Should we sing it together? You might know a song. This song has another set of words. It's about a dog named Bingo. But this one is about a treat named pizza. Can you sing it with me? Okay. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. P-I-Z-Z-A, 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 and pizza is its name. I'm gonna eat this one. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. I-Z-Z-A, 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 and pizza is its name. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. Z-Z-A, 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 and pizza is its name. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. Z-A, 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 and pizza is its name. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. A, 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 and pizza is its name. I'm gonna take the last one. There is a treat I like to eat, and pizza is its name. And pizza is its name. I ate all the pizza. Oh no, what are we gonna do? All the pizza's all gone. Do you think we should make another pizza? Okay, I know another rhyme we can do. And we can make our own pizza. You gotta have a little space so you can move around, okay? Ready? You're gonna have to do the things that I tell the pizza man to do. Can you pretend to be a pizza man? Okay, we're gonna do the things I tell the pizza man to do. So, pizza man, reach up high. Pizza man, reach down low. Pizza man, knead the dough. Pizza man, toss it high. Pizza man, spread the sauce. Pizza man, sprinkle the cheese. Pizza man, cook it in the oven. Pizza man, watch it bake. Pizza man, take it out. Pizza man, eat it, please. Can you eat all the pizza? Yum, 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 yum. I hope we have pizza at my house for dinner tonight. I'm gonna have to check and see what's on the schedule. Well, before I go, I want to show you some other pizza stuff that you can make at home, even if it's not pizza night at your house. You can make a pizza with the things in your Play Along and Learn pack. Look at my pizza. I made it on a paper plate, and I put pepperonis, peppers, and onions on mine. You can make whatever veggies and meat you want to put on yours. That's what I put on mine. You know what else I made? I used my Play Along and Learn bag, and I made myself an apron so that I can run my own pizza store. Look, I named my pizza place Pizza Pizza. What do you think? So then I can put my apron on and I can serve pizza in my house. I think a fun game would be to practice balancing your pizza just like a real pizza server at a restaurant. Could you pretend like your house is a pizza restaurant and pretend to serve your pizza? You ready for something really tricky? See if you can balance your pizza while you stand on one foot. Can you do it? See if you can balance your pizza on your head. Can you do it? Oh, I'd love to see what you put on your pizza. Send me some pictures at the library and stop in real soon, okay? See you next time.